वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमपादः।
प्रत्ययः
प्रत्ययः
परश्च
परश्च
आद्युदात्तश्च
आद्युदात्तश्च
अनुदातौ सुप्रितौ
अनुदातौ सुप्रितौ
गुप्तचिद्भ्यः सन्
गुप्तचिद्भ्यः सन्
मान् बदधांशान्भ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
मान् बदधांशान्भ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
धातो कर्मणसमानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
धातोः कर्मणः समानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
सुप आत्महत्यच
आत्मनः
काम्यच्च
काम्यच्च
उपमानादाचारे
उपमानादाचारे
अधिकरणाचेति वक्तव्यम्
अधिकरणाचेति वक्तव्यम्
कर्तुक्यं सलोपश्च
कर्तुक्यं सलोपश्च
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः क्विद्वा वक्तव्यः
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः वक्तव्यः
वृषादिभ्यो भुव्यच्वे लोपश्च हलः
वृषादिभ्यो भुव्यच्वेर्लोपश्च हलः
लोगितादिडाज्यच्यश्
लोहितादिदाज्यश्च
कष्टाय क्रमणे कर्मणो रोमन्थतपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्भवने शब्दवैरकलगाभ्रकन्वमेकेभ्यः करणे सुखादिभ्यः कर्तृवेदनायाम् नमो वरिवश्चित्रज्ञ
नमो वरिवचित्रहंस्य
उच्चभाण्डचीवराण्णिन्
उच्छभाण्डभिचीवराण्डिन्
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्ष्णलवण व्रतवस्त्रहलकलकृततुस्तेभ्यो निच
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्ष्णलवणव्रतवस्त्रहलकलकृततुस्तेभ्यो
धातोरेकाचो हलाधे क्रिया समभिघाधेयम्
धातोरेकाचो हलादे क्रियासमाभिधारेयम्
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
लुपसदचरजपजपदखदशगृभ्यो भावगर्भाय
रूपसदचरजपजपदहदशगृभ्यो भावगर्भायाम्
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातुलश्लोकसेना लोमत्वशवर्मवर्णचूर्ण चुरादिभ्यो निच
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातुलशोकसेनालोमत्वशवर्णचूर्णचूरादिभ्यो
हेतुमति च
हेतुमति च
खण्ड्वादिभ्यो यक्
खण्ड्वादिभ्यो यक्
गुपूधूपविक्षिपणिपणिव्य आयः
गुपोधूपविक्षिपणिपणिभ्यायः
ऋतेरीयन्
ऋतेरीयन्
कमेर्णिन्
कमेर्णिन्
आयादय आदधातुके वा
आयादयाधातुकेवा
सनादिन्था धातवः
सनाद्यन्तादातवः
सितासीर्दृलुटोः
यदार्येन्द्रलुटोः
सिब्बगुलं लेटी
सिब्बकुलं लेटी
कास्प्रत्ययादाममन्त्रे लिटि
कास्प्रत्ययादाममन्त्रे लिटि
विजादेश गुरुमतो नृक्षः
विजादेशगुरुमतो
दयायासश्च
दयायासश्च
उषविदजागृभ्योऽन्यतरस्य
उषविदजागृभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
बीह्रीभृहुवां श्लुवच्च
बीह्रीभृहुवांश्च
गृञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
गृञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
इदां कुर्वन्त्वित्यन्यतरस्य
कुर्वन्त्वित्यन्यतरस्याम्
अभ्युत्सादयां प्रजनयां चिकयां रमया मकः पावयां क्रियाद्विदामकृन्निति छन्दसि
अभ्युत्सादयां प्रजनयां चिकयां रमयां मखः पावयां क्रियाद्विदामकृन्निति छन्दसि
श्रीलुमि
श्लीलुमि
श्लेकेसिच
श्लेकेसिच
शलैगुपधादनिटः कसः
शलैकुपदाय अनिटः
इकुपदात् अनिटः क्षः स प्रत्यय श्लिष आलिङ्गने
श्लिष आलिङ्गने
नदृशः
नदृशः
निश्रीदृसृभ्यः कर्तरि चङ्
निश्रीदृसृभ्यः कर्तरि चङ्
विभाषाद्धेष्योः
विभाषाद्धेष्योः
गुपेश्छन्दसि
गुपेश्छन्दसि
So in the last class we saw the sutras, summary of all the Pangakaryani Sutrani. Did you go through this? You saw yesterday.
Yesterday we revised.
Yeah. It's very useful. So all the Atidesha, Itagama, Prakriya, Ditta, Titvam, related Sutram, Abhyasakadyani. So Ditva, Ekacho Pratame, Ekacho Dve Pratamasya, Ajadehi Dvitiyasya, Bandraha Sanyogadaya. On Vartika also we saw Bakarasyapi, Pratishedaha. And Kandvadibhyaha, Kandvadinam, Tritiyasya, Ekachaha, Dve. That is also in the Vartikam we have seen. Kandvadigana, Kandvadibhyaha, Yet Kandu, Kandu Yate, get the Rupam, Kandvadigana. For Kandvadigana, Tritiya Ekachaha, Dve. That's a Vartika. For Namadhatu we have seen, we have covered. For Namadhatu, what is the rule for the Prakriya for making Dvitvam?
Tritiyasya ekach.
Yateshtam. This Yateshtam. Your choice.
Yeah. Vikalpa.
Yateshtam Namadhatushu. Yateshtam Namadhatushu. So, for example, Putriya, the word is Putriya. We know Putriya, how the word comes, right? Putriya, Putra plus Kesh Pratyaya, Kechicha by that sutra is replaced by E, right? So Putriya iti Namadhatu Tanadenta Dhatavaha. Now Putriya plus, suppose Sananta Rupam, if we do. Putriya plus Sananta. So now Dvitam. Ita Ishtam. So your choice. You can make whatever. Now Putri. This dhatu is set or on it. Being Anekash, therefore it has to be said. Therefore Itagama comes and that was Shatum happens. Isha. And this is Adha Dhatuka Pratyaya. Therefore Akarasya, Atolopa will happen. Therefore Putriya, you get, right? So Putri plus Isha. This is a dhatu. Now we are not done the duplication. Now duplication can be done ite, ta, ishtam. Ukara is one vowel, E and E with a, 4 vowels are there, your choice. So you can duplicate pu, for example, pupu. So pupu 3, Isha ti. When you decline lakara. Pupu 3, Isha ti. This is one possibility. Or if you don't want to duplicate ukara of pu, you can duplicate. If you want to duplicate 3, that is also possible. 3 you can duplicate. 3 means E. E along with duplicating. So 3 means that's the second one. So here Aladi Sheshaha, Takara will remain, Japa will go, therefore you will have Puti. You will have Puti 3. Here Puti, Dirga will become Rasvaha by Rabhyasa Karya, Puti, and Puti 3, Ishati. Here, we have said this Puti 3, Ishati. This is another form. Or if you want to duplicate E, third vowel, your choice. You can do it. Ita Ishtam. So Putri written and E duplication, duplicating. So Aladi Shesha, the Kara only is therefore E Ishati possible. So like that we can do
The
duplication
PDF,
as well.
there is a typo, Sharanji. Putriyala, PDF la, there is a typo. Putriya, Rasva Ikara Putriya Apdi.
Which one?
PDF. Ninga last updated PDF the last.
Oh, up in Yata Ishtam. Page number?
Page 34.
Page 34. Kechicha. Kechi does the with Kech follows. I'm going to say Ikara Deshava Bhavati, right? So okay, 34.
34. In the Dvitvam, under Dvitvam only it comes.
34 under Dvitvam.
Yesterday we saw.
Hmm.
Sixth Vartikam.
Yeah, here it is.
Ah.
Namadātanam tatiyasya ekāchaka dve bhavatah iti uktavim. This is va.
Then
Namadātanam and eteshtam namadātush iti uktavim. Tatiyasya another vartika. This is, yeah. Okay, where it is here? 3
there. Oh, you have corrected it. Okay.
Okay, it is all leave out. If it's 3
Yeah, I took a printout, but there it is. That's why I think you have corrected it.
Sir, this PDF, I think you have to send, sir, recent one.
Okay,
We are not having
after
the
the
old
class.
one. Yeah.
Okay. So Dvitvam happens ita ishtam, ita ishtam. Okay. Then anyway, that we have seen, just recalling that. Then where are we now? After this summary. Yeah. So this is already we have seen this. So then abhyasakar visheshanga karyani. Visheshanga karyani, some of them we have seen, some we will see. I've listed the sutras. Samanyanga karyani, sarvadhataka ardhadhataka yogo. Visheshanga karyani, aj han gam sanipare. 6-4 section and 7-4 section you will find. And abhyasa karyani aladisheshaha shadpurvakayaha. Shadpurvakayaha is apavada. So aladisheshaha dadasvaha urat kuvustuhu abhyasi charcha saniyataha. Oho puyan japare. And some more will be added later. This is to start with. Now let us do some practice of abhyasa karya, so that abhyasa is an important thing. Then one more sutram is there regarding Dvitvam, Dvivachane Achi, the Stanivat Bhava, that we will see. When the context will come, we will see that. So it will be easy to understand the context. Now, some Abhyasa Karyas will practicing that. The last class I gave some homework, you also did it. We'll see that. Aki, so Akdatu. Aki is Iridatu. So therefore duplicating, duplication is done before or after, because the sutra is San Yagaho, right? San Yagaho is what vibhakti? Shashti vibhakti, not Saptami. Therefore, San Pratyaya added to the Dhatu, then it becomes, of course, becomes Anekach, right? Dhatu must have one H. San Pratyaya. Then Ekacho Dve Pratamasya place for Aladi Dhatu, Ajadeke Dvitiyasya for Ajadi Dhatu, right? Barring the exceptions, Nandraha Sanyoga there, you need to remember. And for Ramadhatu, etc., whatever Yatha Ishtam we have to do. So, San Pratyaya added and then duplication. Now, San Pratyaya, when you add, San being the Valadi, therefore, the Dhatu is said Dhatu. Itagama will come. So, Itagama also we have to do it. And then we get the Dhatu with the San Pratyaya. So, then we have to do the duplication accordingly, depending on the Adi Varna of the Dhatu. So, Adi Varna of the Dhatu. Yeah, we can say Dhatu loosely. Nothing wrong. So, here, Aki Dhatu. Aki is Idit Dhatu. Iditvat, Idito Num Dhatoho. By Sutra, get Nummakama. So ang plus sa. Is it a set dhatu? It's a kakaranta dhatu. You can check the list. The kakaranta dhatu, the list it will not be there, right? Therefore, it is anit. It is a set dhatu. The list of dhatus, anit dhatus are given, right? The list, the table. The table shows kakaranta dhatus, kakaranta, chakaranta, the list of anit dhatus. So this dhatu you will not find there. Or you can check the dhatu bhata and see the dhatu. How do you know it is set or anit? You have to check the swara. Ekach, Eka, it is the Ekash dhatu, and the swara has to be what? To be a set. The swara has to be, should not be. If the swara is anudata, then it is
Ekach.
Ekach upadeshe. If it is anudata, then it is anit. So it must not be anudata. Either it must be swarita or udata, right? Because it is said, it is not anudata. So you can check the dhatu bhata or you can check the table. Table is very useful. That's why it prakaranam always, the table. I don't want to go back again. I mean, all the files, sheets I have to show. Please see that summary. Summary of it prakaranam. Ajanta dhatu, haladi, ajadi dhatu, haladi dhatu, the list I have given, right?
Yeah.
Not,
Shakli is anit, other dhatus are set. Kakaranta.
Yeah, so the list of dhatus, can check that. Halanta, ajanta, dhataha. Summary alone you take it for sun. And for the gender list and for sun pratyaya, certain things we have added, some dhatus we have added, some dhatus we have removed, right? All those things we have done. The it prakaranam for sun. So that is useful. That is for sun, that is the it prakaranam. It related karya, it related thing for the sun. General list is there. For sun, certain things are added, certain dhatus are added, certain are removed. So you have the list, the print out separately. So from that list also you can easily find out. So that is why it's not possible to remember all the time. So you need to have that list by your side. Otherwise, you can check from the website also whether it is set or anit. Not just from the website. You need to know because there are certain conditions for when certain pratyas follows. So anit can become set, a set can become anit. That possibility also you need to know. That is why better to keep the list. Our list is enough elaborate. So you can have the list. And this is kakaranta dhatu. It is set dhatu. Therefore, itakama. Shatam can be done either now or later. It doesn't hurt us. So you can do it any time. You can do it also. So you have anekach now. Now which one will undergo duplication? Ajadehe ditiyasya. So ditiyach is ikara. So E means you have to start from the consonant which is preceded by a vowel before. And similarly, up on the right side, up to the vowel. So all the consonants also included. That forms one vowel, one ach. It is called ekach. Ekach. Ekach means ekaha ach along with the vyanjanani on both sides. So, and nakara is not included. Why? The duplication. Because nandraha samyogadaya, by that nakara, which is at the adi, but nakara, the adi varna of the conjunct, will not participate in duplication, right? Nakara, repa, and nakara. So nakara, leave it out. So but kiss, that alone will undergo duplication. So first you have to find out what will undergo duplication. Sun, by that, now duplication will happen. So therefore, kiss, then this is purvaha abhyasaha ube abhyastam. So purva abhyasaha aladisheshaha, key will remain. And after that,
haladisheshaha, by that
sakara will drop, key will remain. Then after that,
Then
by that,
by that
sakara will be replaced by
chavarga.
Sakara will.
chi. Then after that,
Then
that third letter will Abhyase Chacha.
Abhyase Charcha. So Abhyase already it is what letter? It is the first letter only. So the char letter only. Right?
yeah.
So any other Abhyasa Karya will apply. Rest of Abhyasa Karya, if you see, Rasvaha, Ali Rasvaha, Urat, no, that will not apply. Who goes to go? You have done. Abhyase Charcha, already it is char letter.
Shatvam we have to do.
Then
Anchi Nakara will come.
Anchi.
Another come.
Anchi Nakara. What Nakara?
No, that Nakara will be.
Yeah, Napadanta Nakara followed by Jal. Nascha Padantasya Jali. Sandhi Karya. So Abhyasa Karya done. Then Sandhi Karya will happen.
Sandhi Karya.
Therefore you get Anchi. Anchi Kisha. Shattam happens that also. That's why I said Shattam you can do in the beginning itself. It doesn't hurt us. So we are not violating Tripadi. Anyway, it's going to happen. So you can make it Shattam in the beginning itself. So Anchi Kisha, that is a duplicated rupam. So Anchi Kishati, Anchi Kishataha. Anchi Kisha is the dhatu. So all these Ananta dhatus must be Adantanga, right? So Adanta being Adantanga, therefore you can derive it. Tiganta Rupam you can derive by like that of the first Gana, Vadigana. Simple it is, right? Being Adantanga, 1, 4, 6, 10. So first Gana you can take, why? Because being a new dhatu, therefore it will take shap. So all the Sananta dhatus are Adantanga, therefore it will be the its Kriya Padam will be, Kriya Rupani will be declined like, derived like first Gana. So Anchikisha plus Shap plus Tir, you know what will happen, right? If Sarvadhatuka, Adadhatuka Pratyaya follows, then Atolopaha will apply. Understand? Atolopa. Suppose if you are doing future tense of Lutlakara Rupam of Anchikisha Dhatu, Sya Pratyaya will come. Sya is Adadhatuka. Being Adadhatuka Pratyaya and Dhatu being Anekach, will it take Itagama? Yes. Yes, right? So therefore Sya will get Itagama, Ishya you get. So Anchikisha plus Ishya, what do you get? Atolopaha will apply. So, Anchikisha, suppose just doing the Lutlakara Rupam Anchikisha plus we are doing a future tense, Sya Pratyaya, Sya plus T, Pratama Ekavachanam, and this being Anekach, therefore must be a Seth Dhatu, and Pratyaya will get Itagama, so therefore it will have Ishya, Ishyati, and this is Adadhatuka Pratyaya, therefore Shakara, Akara will become Adantanga, being Adantanga, Kara, Atolopaha will apply, right? Atolopaha will apply, remember, Adanta, when Adadhatuka Pratyaya follows the Adantanga, Akara becomes Lopaha. Therefore, what you get? Shakara plus E is she. Anchi Kishishyati. What is the meaning? Anchi Kishishyati. Anchi Kishati, Anchi Kishataha, Anchi Kishanti, Latlakara. Adadhatuka example, future tense, Lutakara we are doing. Anchi Kishishyati. Meaning? First of all, what is Anchi Kisha? Anchi Kishati. What is the meaning of Anchi Kishati? Aki means to mar, right? To Ankitum Ichati iti Anchikishati. Ankitum Ichati iti Anchikishati. Ankitum Ichati iti Anchikishati. Future tense would be in future. Ankitum. Sorry. Ankitum what is the future tense of ishyati? Ishyati. Dhatu is ish dhatu, right? Dhatu is ish dhatu. Each that dhatu is, that alone become ish when shapratyaya follows, right? So ish dhatu, ish. Ichayam, ishu ichayam, that is a dhatu. What is the future tense of ish dhatu? Ishu ichayam. Sudadigana, ichati. Future tense is e plus, sorry, ye shishyati, no? It is Gudavilapa. Ye. Shabita, right? Ankitam, e plus sya plus t, and this is a set dhatu, therefore ishyati, e becomes ye. So ye plus ishyati, so yeah, so yesh, not ye. Dhatu is ish dhatu. So e becomes, e takes guna, therefore shakara plus e, yeshi. Ankitam yeshishyati iti anchi keshishyati. Okay. Here ichati latlakara, therefore anchi keshyati. Follow.
Yes, Jay. So because of future tense, it is.
Future tense. Ankitam, that is, you will desire to mark. Ank means to mark, right? Ankanam, ankani, the word comes from that. To mark, assign. That is the meaning of ank. Dhatu, you can check. So ankitam eshishyati iti anchi kishishyati. Okay, then ankitam ichuhu. Out of this ankitam, we are not doing any this whole thing. This is Kridanta. Ankitam ichuhu. Ankitam ichuhu. What will happen? Ankitam ichuhu. The pratyaya who will be added to the dhatu. That is by the sutra. The other Krit section, there's a sutra. By that, the pratyaya who. What is that? Sanamsha sabikshaha uhu. One sutra is. You can check that later. The Krit pratyaya who will be added. So anchi kisha plus u being another dhatuka pratyaya. Therefore, what will happen? Ato lopaha will apply shakarasya. That is the akarasya lopaha. Therefore, shakara will remain. Shakara plus u is shu. So anchi kishuhu, like Guru Shabdavatu. Ita moktam ichuhu mumukshuhu. Moktam ichuhu mumukshuhu. Similarly, ankita michuhu, anchi kishuhu. Anchi kishuhu is anchi kishu pratipadikam. When you decline anchi kishuhu, Guru Shabdavatu. Anchi kishu, you can decline. These are the example for Tinganta. One is Sarvadhatuk example, other one Adhadatuk example, another one Kridanta example. Understand?
Yes, Jay.
Follow? That U pratyaya is, you can check the ID. It is 3 to 168. Sana, Sanamsha, Sadiksha, Uhu. Sanamsa means sun. Sun is what is Ashamsa, then Dikshaha. Leave it. Sun pratyanta angasya. What will happen? What pratyaya? Uhu. Saniti san pratyaya grigyate. Saniti san pratyaya grigyate. Nato sani dhatu, not san dhatu. Okay. Therefore, sanantebhyaha dhatubhyaha uhu kartrushu. What is that? Sanantebhyaha dhatubhyaha kartrushu, in the sense of the karta, the desire of that pratyaya who will be added. Kartum ichuhu, chikeshuhu, hatum ichuhu, jigishuhu. Right? So, therefore, u pratyaya, krit pratyaya is added. Adhadhataka pratyaya. Therefore, here we get anchikishuhu. Okay. Anyway, these are all, we are doing only Abhyasa Karya, but these are some extra you can note. Then Angi will become Angi is again Idit Dhatu, therefore Numma will come. And Nakara being there, therefore it will not participate in Duttam, Yandra Sanyogadaya. So therefore And dhatu you have to check. Now it is a gakaranta dhatu. Is it a set dhatu or a neat? What is that? It is a again set dhatu.
Set.
To kutilayam gato gatyartaka dhatu. This is to move, to limp. That is the meaning. So you get angisa duplication being ajadi. Therefore ajadege diti yasya. Second vowel will not go duplication. And nakara will not participate in the duplication. Therefore gigi. Gis. Not gigi. Gis. So it is e sa. Okay. So gis. Then aladi sheshaka gakara will remain. So then after that,
Kuhos chuhu.
it goes to go by that. How many times I have written the same thing? Same stuff. But gakara will be replaced by jakara. Then you can do rashtrapadantasya jali sandhi. So anji gisha sarup shattam anji gisha. So anji gisha angitum ichchati anji gishataha you can do. Now it comes our exercise. We have done. I didn't check actually. So let us do it here. So let us take the dhatu, iksh dhatu. So I'll copy the steps so that will be easy. Iksh dhatu. You can check your form also. Iksh dhatu. Iksh plus sa. Iksh dirgha. Ajadi dhatu. Iksh. So the set dhatu, ranit dhatu. What dhatu is that? It must be
Set.
set. All set. So set dhatu. Therefore, iksh plus sa. You can say itagama. Then you have ikshi sha. I make the shattam here itself. Okay. Nothing wrong. I can make it like this. Anyway, you can do it. Now, ajadehe dvitiyasya. So, pratama is e. Second one is, last one is and sakara. This is the last vowel, last h. So, in between, what is there? So, you have kshi. Shish, in fact. Right? Okay, sakara is here. Part fine. Sakara. Okay, let me if it's sakara here. Okay. So, kshis. Now, kshis is what will undergo duplication. So therefore it will be kshis. Right? Then purvaha abhyasaha.
Kakara, first itself, kakara will change into chakara by kukosh cha no sharanji.
We have not yet done we have just done the duplication. After that, abhyasa karya.
Oh.
I've just done the duplication. After duplication, only abhyasa karya to be done, right?
Okay.
So now this is abhyasa. Abhyastam purvaha abhyasa. Now abhyasa karya. Kshis. So kshis, what will remain, what will drop? So kakara, then shakara, then ikara, then sakara. Of course, the last sakara, aladi sheshaka will drop. What about in kshi? In kshi,
Kakara remains and other thing drop.
can you apply shar purvaha kayaha? Shar purvaha kayaha cannot apply. So adi letter should be shar letter, right?
Shar letter.
It's not shar letter, it is a kar letter. So therefore, what will happen? Therefore, shakara which is there, kakara, then shakara, then ikara. This adi kakara will remain, shakara will drop. If this is a shar letter, then that will, but it is not here. Therefore, that will Therefore, a kakara will remain.
Yeah.
Right? Sharpurvaka kayaha will remain. Shar will drop.
Yeah.
But here it is not. Therefore, chakara will drop and kakara plus e becomes ki. Right? Just
Yes.
checking whether Sharpurvaka kayaha will apply. That will not apply. Aladisheshaha will apply. Sharpurvaka kaya is Purva must be Shar letter.
Yes.
Followed by Kai letter. Kai letter is Pratama, Dvitiya, that Kai letter, first and second letter of the class consonants. So the Kai letter will remain. That's what it says, right? But
Yes.
the Shar letter will drop, Kai letter will remain. But here it is not. Therefore, Shakara will drop, Shakara will remain, Ki. Okay, now after that, who goes
Here,
to who
To who?
can apply. So Ki will become Chi,
Yeah.
right? Then
Yeah.
Ichi. Then you will have this. After that, any other Abhyasa Karya? Nothing.
Shatvam.
Only Shattam to be done. Therefore, Ichi, Sakara, preceded by this is what Sakara, Pratyay Sakara. Therefore, Adesha Pratyaya can be applied. Sakara plus Ichi, Shisha. And Dhatu is, and this Dhatu is Atmanepadi Dhatu, right? Therefore, it's Latlakara Rupam, for example. It will be Ikshate, Ikshete, Ikshante, right? So, therefore, it will be Ichi, Shishate.
Shishate.
So it will, the form would be Iksh plus tum, being a said dhatu, right? Ikshitum, Ichchati iti, Ichi, Shi, Shati. Ikshitum, for example, if you do Ardha Dhatu Kalakara, Ikshitum, Eshishyati would be, what would be the form? It is
Ishi,
Ichi, Kshi, Shish,
Te.
Tate, not Ti, also Te. Te by what rule? Puravat Sanaha. Whatever the dhatu was before, so that pratyaya, think pratyaya, the sananta will dhatu also will take. So iksh dhatu being atmanepadi, therefore atmanepadi, right? Ikshitum eshishyati iti, ichi kshishyate iti rupam. Suppose you are referring. What about the karta? Ikshitum ichuhu. Here not yeah, ikshitum ichuhu would be
Ichi, Chikshu.
the dhatu being ikshi, sha, uhu, ichi kshishuhu. Ichi kshishuhu. சொல்றதே கஷ்டமா இருக்கு. Ichi kshishuhu. Ichi kshishuhu. Anyway. Okay, next one. Just to show you.
Excuse me. So, நீங்க அத்தோகுணே வராதா?
Where?
லாஸ்ட்ல ஈச்சிக்ஷிஷா பிளஸ் ஷப் பிளஸ் தே வரும் இல்லையா அது அனுப்புறோம்.
You are asking here?
இல்ல இங்க மேல கொஞ்சம் அந்த இது வரும் இல்லையா when we add the tip pratyaya, so that time ichikshisha is the dhatu, new dhatu, and then shapuk badla a will be there and then te, so that time atogune by atogune akara will
atogune will happen, yes. A plus a is atogune, yes. Yeah, will happen.
Okay ji. And then
it is understood.
Okay. And then idagama will do no first, so that will be done by sutra ardha dhatu kasya aid baladehe. Correct.
That is for the next one, Ardha Dhatu Kalakara. This is for here. This is Sarva Dhatu Kalakara. This is Ardha Dhatu Kalakara. No,
okay.
I think you are confused. See,
this
is a dhatu, shab plus te, right? This is Sarva Dhatu Kalakara, mean Latlakara. This is a plus a is a atogune. Therefore, you will have ikshi shate. right? This is lat lakara.
Okay.
Now, adadatuka lakara, just for example, we are taking the future tense, ishyate is added, right? Sya,
Yes.
then itagama, then te. Now, this is adadatuka pratyaya. Ato lopaha will apply. Don't confuse ato gune. Ato lopaha, akarasya lopaha. Lopam krutva, shakara only will remain. Shakara plus e, she. E, chi, she, shishyate, right?
Okay.
Understand?
Okay.
Ato gune is sandhi. Ato lopaha is angakarya.
So Atolo.
Ato gune sandhi for that lakara, sarvadhatuka lakara, we do it. And ato lopaha for adadhatuka lakara. Being the
that is
sananta, being
the-
adantanga, therefore when adadhatuka pratyaya follows, ato lopaha will happen. Sananta or adantanga. Therefore, for adadhatuka lakaras, when adadhatuka pratyaya follows, ato lopaha will happen. So akara si lopaha bhavati. Therefore, shakara will remain shakara plus densya. Or if it is itagama, then ishya. Just do the melanam. Right?
Sir, inge, iti kshisha is the new dhatu by sanadanta dhatavaha. So then that has to be thinganta we are changing, no?
Yeah.
So that time iti kshisha plus shap plus te only we will add, no?
Yes. Correct only.
And shap the is the content.
Yes.
So then iti kshisha plus a should be savarna dirgha. Instead of that,
Atogune.
there only I asked, sir, actually.
Yeah.
Atogune.
Atogune will apply. Yes. Atogune.
Okay,
That
this
is.
okay,
Yeah.
that I understood. But in the beginning, with idagamaha we will do no. Each plus will be there. Each plus isa we will do. In the beginning, I am telling. First, starting the prakriya that time, sir. That
Yeah.
idagama we will do by the sutra ardha dhatu kasya valadehe. And the sutra dane use pandru kekrena.
You're asking, right?
There on.
Yeah. Here adadhatuka said valadehe. Yes.
Okay, okay. 7 to 35 we will apply there. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, ji. Now I got it.
See, it's a good question actually. See, you are asking that dhatu is here, how we are adding here. Here also, when you are forming this ananta, the iksha also is a dhatu. Dhatu plus the adadhatuka pratyaya. Therefore, this adadhatuka pratyaya corresponding to the dhatu, it will take a itagama or not. That we have to do it. Then what you get is, this is not a dhatu. This is, we get this and this undergo duplication. Finally, you get a dhatu. Now again it will take pratyaya, and if it is adadhatuka pratyaya, it will take itagama, etc. will happen. So, ikshishyate, in fact, in this 2 times the itagama has come. One because of the sun, other one because of the lakara, syate.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Then next one. Iksh we are done. Next one, ugh. Dhatu is ugh. Ugh dhatu. Ugh means ughate. I think to Sarma is to guess, I think. Ugh. So, said dhatu, yes, it must be. Sakara dhatu, you can check. It is a said dhatu. So, ugh, yeah. Ugh plus isa becomes ugh-isa. So, ugh-isa is not a dhatu. Only after you duplicate, get a new dhatu. Sanadyantaha. You can say dhatu. Wait, sanadhyanta. But duplication is not yet done. So, it undergoes duplication, then you get that. Here, nothing is going to happen. We are going to do the duplication. So, ajari, therefore, ditiyasya vitam bhavati. So, ditya is e plus sa plus a. This is the second Dutch. So, therefore, here we have is. So, this part alone will undergo duplication. So, you will have is. So, let me write is, and then we can do the. Then ala disheshaha, he will remain. Then is plus a. And who goes to go by that? He will be replaced by what letter? G letter, because corresponding Chavarga letter is 4th letter of them. We know by what? How do you know it's Savarna?
Samvaranada Gosha Mahaprana.
Yeah, therefore Jakara will be the replacement, the fourth letter of the Chavarga. So therefore you have Sa. So Uji is right. After that Shatvam to do Uji Hisha. So Uji Hisha you get. And this Dhatu Uhate Atmanipari Dhatu. Therefore Uji Hishate, Uji Hishate Rupam will be there. Similarly, other Dhatu and all we can do. Okay. So next one. Next one, Ujdatu. Is the forms correct in your homework?
Yes.
Ujdatu. So, is it a said dhatu?
Yeah.
Yes, it is said dhatu. So, therefore, Ittagama will be there. And therefore, you have Ujji. So, second, actually undergo duplication. Ajadeg is the TSya. So, here, Jakara, then Akaprana, Jakara, G plus A. So, let me write like this.
Sir, there is doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, the previous it will it not change to this thing? First jak varada, alpa prana jak varada. Hisa is there.
Where it,
Huh?
right.
Mahaprana is there, no? So
Chakara
Oh,
is
yeah. Oh, yes,
there.
sorry. Yeah, we have to Abhyasa Charcha. We are not done Abhyasa Charcha. Sorry. We have to make Abhyasa Charcha, you have to apply. You have to Abhyasa Charcha. Yeah, it's Abhyasa Karya. So we have to do Ujigisha. Ujigishate, Ujigishate, yes. That apply, yes. Then here. So this is one. So therefore, when we do the Dvitvam, so you will have Jakara, Jakara, and Sakara. So Aladisheshaha. By that, Adiyal will remain, Jakara will remain, Mahaprana will drop, Sakara also will drop. So therefore, Jakara plus E, G.
G.
Then here, Jakara, then Jisa. Right. So therefore, you will have
Ujijisha. Ujijisha.
Aladi, Yeshaha, by that Jakara is retained, Mahaprana Jakara will drop, Sakara also will drop, therefore Uchi. Yeah. Then next one, Uji, then Jakara plus Jakara plus then Shattam we can do, then Jakara, Kara, then Shat. Ujijisha. And it's Parasipari Dhatuva, then I will get the T. So therefore you will have the form Ujijishati, Ujijishataha. Is the form correct? What do you have?
Yes, G.
Okay. So Ujijishati. You check whether this Anantarupam Ujidatu, whether it is correct in the
That
website.
where we can check, sir, whether that Sanadi Rupam
You have to
Sanadi.
check with the website. Or Dhatu, Brigad Dhatu Kusmakara.
Okay.
So Ujijishati is correct only. Ujijishati, Ujijishataha. So what we did is,
Oh,
right? Or Brigad Dhatu Kusmakara.
okay.
The next one. Next Dhatu is Umbadhatu. So let us do. Dhatu, that is Akara, Bakara. This Dhatu also must be said Dhatu. So plus Isa. Then we have Akara, Isa. Ditya Ach. Akara plus Akara, Ikara, then Sakara. This will be Makara, Akara, Ikara, then Sakara. This will undergo duplication.
Sir, inge Unbha is the Upadesha given. Makara is Nakara. So
Yeah, Makara is Nakara. Yes, we will do that. Yes. It is, in fact, it is Nakara has become Makara. So it is not Idit Dhatu. Therefore, Aniditaram Salopaka Bhavati. Yes. Therefore, it will not participate. We'll remove that. Okay, here itself we can, in fact, when we write here itself we can do.
There itself, I think,
Yeah, here itself we can make it like this. Therefore, we don't have to include that. So this Nakara can be included here. So therefore, you will have only B. This. It will be this. And Nakara will be here. So one, then B, this Aladisheshaka, B will be there. And you will have this. So B, Bakara. Therefore, here
There also Abhyasa Charcha.
Abhyasi Charcha. By that, you will have Alpa Prana, Bakara, B, then Shattam, Bisa. So, therefore, you will have Pascha, Padantasya Jali will apply. Therefore, Nakarasya Bakara Desha, Umbi, then B, Bisha. Umbi Bisha. Umbi Bisha is the Dhatu. Sanadyantaha Dhatavaha. So, the Dhatu means Purane. So, therefore, Umbitum Ichati. Umbitum Ichati iti Bishati. Okay, the next one.
Yed.
Yed Dhatu. Yeda Vrdhau. Yed Dhatu. Yed Ajari Dhatu. Yeda Dhatu. Is it said Dhatu? Yes. Edishyati. Is said Dhatu. Edishyati. Is said Dhatu. So therefore we'll have Edisa. Ajadeke Titiyasya. Therefore this it's what will undergo duplication. Therefore Ye will have this. And it will be this. Aladisheshaka D will remain. This plus A. So finally, Yedhi.
Abhyasi Charcha.
Abhyasa Chacha will apply. Yedhi.
Disa.
This is Abhyasa.
Yes,
Finally, you will have Saptam also we can do. Sakara plus A. Yedhi Disha. Abhyasa Charcha. Yedhi Disha. Yedhi Dishate. Yedhi Dishataha. Yedhi Dishate. Dishete. Yedhi Dishante. Yedhi Atmanipam. Yeditum Ichati. Okay, the next one. Rimp. Rimp also Makara. Andraha Sanyogadeha. That will come. Rimp Dhatu. Rimp Dhatu, I think it is Pudadigana. This we have seen in concept. We have seen this Dhatu, this Rimp. And the Shamadigana somewhere we studied it. That time we saw Rimp Dhatu. This is also a said Dhatu. Therefore, you love Rim. pizza. And here itself we can this rim plus pizza, and being Andraha, rim, then this is a rin plus this. Now this will undergo duplication rin. Sorry, this will undergo duplication. So you will have this, then. Then is that, then Aladi Sheshaha. By Aladi Sheshaha, you will have yeah, Pakara plus yeah, P, this P will be there. Then this. Andraha Sayo, the Nakara will be there. Then
Abhyase Charcha.
Abhyase Charcha, by that become P. Then this is a. Then Pascha Patantasya Jari, by that it will become Makara. Then this will become Shakara. So Rimpi, Visha. Okay, this is the next one. Unch. Unch, right?
இல்ல உச்சம் இருக்கே.
Dhatu is uchi, I think. Dhatu is must be unch dhatu. That is strictly.
இல்ல சார் உச் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் அல்ப பிராண and then மகாபிராணா. I think so. உச்.
Is uch.
Yeah, this one.
Oh. Okay, is there any dhatu unch? Yeah, it is that unch.
Oh, this one is given. Okay.
Idit dhatu. Okay, we can take anything. Even if you take the chakara, then chi, this uch dhatu. That also can be done. You are done for this?
I have done for, yes, for this end.
Okay, then we can do both. Let us take as you did uch, right?
Yeah.
Uch dhatu. Is it said on it? It is said. Said dhatu. So uch plus isa. Then we have uchi sa. Then
Unch and I written it as unch. But,
okay, both are there. Well, let us do both. Yeah, I given unch only. Unch. Idit dhatu. But she has taken uchi. Okay. Idit dhatu. Anyway, chakara follows. Therefore, checha by that chakara comes. That's it. Dhatu is Aupadeshika dhatu is uchi.
So nakara will come, no? Unch.
No. Nakara uchi is idit dhatu. No nakara here. Content is uch. And because chakara follows rasva, therefore tukka kama checha by that sutra. Tukka kama, therefore uch. That is what you are taking. It's okay. Another dhatu is there. Unch, that is uchi. That's rasva ikara. By that idit dhatu, numagama comes. That also will do. Okay, therefore uchisha. Now this chakara, then chi. This will undergo duplication. Second touch. Now here chakara, chi, chis. Chis. Chakara can participate with that. Yeah. So here what will happen? Chakara is it a shar letter? No. Char purvaka kayaha, will it apply? No, it will. Adi is not shar letter. So chakara will remain. Chakara and sakara will drop. Therefore, uchi. And here you have this. And chakara goes to by that Chuhu. Because chuhu. Anyway, chi. Therefore, because chuhu will not apply. Sorry. Chi already is there, right? Therefore, chi. So, therefore, you will have here uchi chisha. The final form would be uchi chisha. Abhyasa charcha also same. You get chakarasya, chakaraha desha. Therefore, uchi chishati iti written. Right? Uchi chishati iti rupam. This is dhatu uchi. Can take Vadi or Adragana. I don't know why he said the website he says this is not a Sananta not available, but this will be like this only. So you can take it. Now let us take the same. I mean, dhatu to be now uchi with did dhatu. Then what would be the form? If you take this to be a udit dhatu uchi, then numa khama will come, and therefore numa khama then nakara, then therefore you will have unch. Dhatu becomes unch. Therefore unch dhatu. And here itself we can do nakara. It is unch plus isa. Therefore we have unchisa. Andraha sanyoga, that will not, nakara will not come. Therefore chis. So chis. Then chi will alone will remain. Aladi sheshaha. Then unchi chisha. Then here nakarasya nakara adesha ashtapadanta jali unchi chisha. So finally you will have unchi chisha, right? This is the rupam. If you take the dhatu to be which dhatu? Is it correct in your homework?
Yes.
Chishati.
Yeah.
Okay. Then next dhatu. Ant. Okay. Ant and up dhatu. Let us take ant.
Ati is the Upadesha.
Ati dhatu. Yeah. Ati. Atati. So ant. So therefore ant is actually it is must be nakara. So you have anti. Antisa. So ant. Then here it is T. Yes. And so this. So aladi sheshaha T will remain.
Mahaprana illi takara undu.
Sorry.
Ant
Yeah.
plus that Mahaprana should be there, no?
Mahaprana.
Anta.
It's a takara.
Yeah,
It is.
Mahaprana.
Oh,
Second.
okay. Dhatu is Mahaprana.
Ati. Antate
Oh.
gato. To go.
Vadigana.
Okay. Oh, okay. So Mahaprana. Okay. So T test then Aladi Sheshaha, then this, then Anti, Shesha, then Anti, Shesha.
Abhyasa Charcha.
Abhyasa Charcha will apply. Yeah. So here I will one more step here. Abhyasa Charcha by that. First letter of the class, Anti.
Then Naschapadantasya Jali. That will.
Yeah, Nashtapadanta Jali also applied for Anti Shesha, right?
Yes.
The last one is Akka. Ukka Raksan. Uk Dhatu. Uk Dhatu.
Okhati gatau said that.
Uk, right?
Yes, Ji.
Yeah. So it is said dhatu. Therefore, you have ukisa, u, this is ki, kiss, u, then ki, kiss. So ki is kiss only. That's no step is not done. So we can do abhyasa charcha ki is.
Chi will come in. Oh,
Sorry.
okay. I thought
And
for
Kogostu will apply. Sorry. Kakara, kakara ki. Yeah.
Chi will come.
So first is Kogostu by ki will be replaced by.
Chi. Ka, kha, cha, cha.
Yeah. Yes. That's the corresponding chi. Then you can apply abhyasa charcha by uchi, uchi, kisha, shattam also. The steps sometimes flipped. Okay. We apply abhyasa charcha and then shattam, but anyway, it's okay. Shattam, that's why it's a shattam can be done in the beginning itself. So here when we do, otherwise we can. Okay, here both the steps are done. Abhyasa charcha and shattam.
Yeah.
Shattam. So uchi. So for uchi kishati. Uchi kishati is the. But the form is not uchikishati. You see the.
And the Hrasvaha, when should we apply, Sharanji?
Rasvaha, when it is dirgha, then it becomes rasvaha. Here any dirgha is the. Dhatu is ukka, right? Ukka, gatau. So sanantarupam, if you see, it is not the who has taken guna. So angakarya is done. Angakarya, that part we have not seen. We'll see that. You'll see that the next class. There's dvirvachane achi. So dvirvachane achi, that sutra. See, here if you see, if you take all the dhatus so far, whatever we have seen, the list here.
For ge, we have changed it to ge. Some example for Hrasvaha, ik letter, ik Hrasva. Ik is Hrasva letter for H letter. Or like.
Yeah. So here what is it? No. If this Rasvaha will apply as Abhyasa Karya if there is the long vowel. But where is here? Which example you're talking about?
No, in the Hrasva Sutra, when we saw, there.
Yeah.
I have written for Dirgha, we have to change it Hrasva letter, and also for Ik, for Ik, Hrasva letter is H. For Ge.
No. H Ik Rasva Deshe. H letter for that Rasva will be Ik letter. So Rasva Adesha is Abhyasa Karya. When we have a long vowel, I mean when we have H letter, then Rasva Ik will be the Adesha. But here where is that Rasva? Where it will apply?
Yeah, we cannot apply.
Here we cannot apply. Rasvaha is not because we are in the last example. I think you're talking about last example. Last example, where is H letter to apply this? Only consonant is there. Key only is there, right? So here we don't. There's no need to apply Rasvaha. Rasvaha is applied when Dirgha Swara is there in the Abhyasa. Then we apply. Suppose, for example, here it is A. Then you make it Rasva by E. Ik Rasva Desha. But here it is key only, right? Already E. E is short vowel is there.
Yeah.
So that therefore it is not applied. Suppose instead of chi is apply Rasvaha. Or if it is che, apply rasvaha.
Mm.
Not there. Yeah, e only. Therefore, the rasvaha not applicable. Okay. So now this the last one, if you take, the U has become guna, whereas other cases it does, because other cases the upada is kakara. Therefore, when sarvadhatuka adadhatuka pratyaya follows, anga ending with ik letter or upada is short ik, will take guna. That's what we have seen, right? So here is upada is a consonant, therefore angakarya not possible. So first one ruled out. Second one, upada is dirgha, therefore there also angakarya not possible. Here also anga is regard to the sun. Sun is adadhatuka pratyaya. Therefore, when sun pratyaya and it is not a kit. So when we say not a kit means you have to remember the sutras by which sun can become kit. Where is that Atidesha? Ikojal, Alantacha, right? Ikojal, Alantacha, those sutras, remember? So those sutras you have to remember by which you have to see whether it can get kittom, but it will not here.
Yeah.
Because those sutras, Ikojal, Igantasya, Angasya, Igantasya Anga or Ikojal, Jaladisani. Jaladisani means it should be a Anit Dhatu. I mean, no Itakama. But all are Itakama, right? All are said Dhatu. Itakama is there. Therefore, Ikojal and all cannot apply. By which you cannot give the Kittom to the sun. Therefore, Anga Karya can happen. Provided the Anga fulfills the condition. The condition, either the last letter must be a ik letter or the penultimate must be a short ik, right? Understand? You follow? We follow.
Yes.
See,
Kitvam to
the
happen,
Kitvam
but,
is extended by the sutra which we have seen. Gang Kutadibhyaha, please see the sutras.
yes,
By those sutras, the Kitvam is, though sun is not a kit, but Kitvam is given by the sutra 1 to 1. Then Vijayita, then Vibhasha Noho, then Ruda Vidamusha, this sutra, Sansha, then Ekojal, Alantacha, Rala, Vipadha Dhala Dehe Sansha. These are the sutra by which the Jaladi sun. What sun?
Jaladisan. Okay.
Jaladi means it's not a set dhatu. I mean, no itakama, right? Dhatu must be anit.
Oh,
Understand? Jaladi sun means for the Ekojal is Jaladi. For Ekojal it is Jaladi. Similarly, Halantacha, Jaladi. Gang Kutadibhyaha, those dhatus which are in the Kutadigana, it says when the pratyaya other than Ngit and Nit follows, they will be deemed to be a Ngit. So Gang Kutadibhyaha. Right? So San pratyaya will be Ngit. There it is no Jaladi and all. So San pratyaya, whether it is the Set, whether it is a Set Dhatu or whatever it is. So the San pratyaya will be deemed to be Kit, therefore deemed to be Ngit, therefore Angakarya cannot happen. For the second one, Vija it, Vijidhatu, and it, that is Ajadi son it is. So this is, one is Ajadi, this is also Ajadi son. And Vibhasha Urnoho, for Urnodhatu, the Set Adadhatuka Pratyaya Gitva Dvavati. These are all Ajadi son. Please note, all these are Ajadi san pratyaya. Ajadi san means san pratyaya taking itagama. It means the dhatu must be set. So 1 to 1 to 1 to 8 is Ajadi san pratyaya pare. The san pratyasya ngitvam. Ngitvam bhavati. Ngitvat angakaryana bhavati. Whereas from here 1 to 9, 1 to 10, 1 to 26. Jaladi san. Jaladi san means the dhatu must be anit. Therefore, san pratyaya do not take itagama, therefore Jaladi san. See, when a sun will be Jaladi, but doesn't take itagama, right? If it takes itagama, it is no more Jaladi, it is Ajadi. So these are Ajadisan and these are Jaladisan. So these will be considered to be Atideshaha, Kitvam, Kitvat, Angakarya na bhavati. So this sutra you have to remember. Now, you follow what I'm saying?
Yes.
So Jaladis, whether it is Jaladisan or Rajadisan, whatever it is, you see that Adidesha, Sutra, and
Yeah.
see whether here Angakarya is negated. So each dhatu, said dhatu, therefore the San Pratyaya will take Itahma, it is Ajadisan. Angakarya is not negated, but Angakarya cannot happen. Upada letter being Kakara. So Angakarya is not possible. Similarly, here also Angakarya not possible because it is Halanta Dhatu and Upada is Dirga Vowel, Dirga Swara. Similarly, here also Dirga Swara. Similarly, here also it is Halanta Dhatu, Upada is also a Hal. Therefore, Angakarya not possible. And here also Angakarya not possible. And here also not possible because Upada is Dirga Swara. And here also Upada, it's Halanta Dhatu, Upada is also a Hal. Here also not possible. Here also not possible. And here, what about here? Halanta Dhatu. Upada is
Rasva Upada.
Asva Upada. And there Asva Upada.
Acha, and it is Acha.
And Asva Upada. If it is Iganta Dhatu, then Iko Jal will prevent. It is Iganta Dhatu. Jaladi San Pratyaya Pare would have prevented. Or Halantacha by that Sutra. Halantacha Sutra will apply. But Halantacha requires a condition the sun should be a Jaladi San. It means the Dhatu must be Anit and San Pratyaya do not taking Itagama. Therefore, Alantacha can apply. But here the Uk Dhatu is Set Dhatu. Therefore, it is not Jaladi. What it is? Ajadi San, right?
Study.
Because Itagama it takes, right? Therefore, Alantacha cannot be applied. Alantacha, when you apply, that San Pratyaya will have the status of Kittum and Angakarya is negated. But here it is not Jaladi San, it is Ajadi San.
Yes, possible.
Therefore, Angakarya is possible, right? Angakarya is possible. Now the question comes, which one you will do first? When Angakarya happens, and Dvittam also happens, which one you will do first? Will you do Angakarya first and then do Dvittam? Or you do Dvittam first and then Angakarya? You understand? Up to this, you understand the sequence?
Yes.
When San Pratyaya is ordained Kittam or Gittam by the sutras in the Atidesha, the category, 1-to-1 section. There we have Ajadisan, Jaladisan. So Kittam is extended to Sun and it will not cause Angakarya. Angakarya is negated. And Ecojal, that cannot be applied because this is not Iganta Dhatu, Ukdhatu. Halantacha, yes, but Halantacha requires a condition the sun should be Jaladisan. But it is not. Here, said Dhatu being said Dhatu, therefore it is Ajadisan. Therefore, Halantacha is also ruled out. Now, Isa is Adadhatuka Pratyaya, following the Anga, and Upada having Rasvaik. Therefore, Angakarya possible. That is why Angakarya done, and the form is Okishyana, Ochi Kishati. Something is there. So now the question is, when do you do Angakarya? Whether before Dvittam or after Dvittam. Therefore, there we have, if the Dhatu is said Dhatu, that is Dvitva Nimittaka, the Pratyaya, Ajadi Pratyaya, it means Ajadi San Pratyaya Pare. First you do Dvitva and then do
Angakarya.
Ajadeshu. So Dvitva is done first. Dvitvam is done first and then do Angakarya. So San Pratyaya Pare. Therefore, finally what we have to do, Dvittam and all done, Dvitakarya, everything is done. And the San Pratyaya is a because of which the U will become now O. Therefore, only you will have the form Ochi Kishati. Understand?
Yes.
We'll see. We'll have to talk about Dvirvachane Achi. That is Stanivat Bhavaha. So Dvirvachane Achi, now you understand just this much. That is when Ajadi's son means it agama, that is san pratyaya with the it agama follows the dhatu. Then first you do what? Dvitvam and then Angakarya. If anit pratyaya follows, then what you do? First you do Angakarya and then do Dvitvam. So that is the what we do based on Dvirvachane Achi, the sutra. Dvirvachane Achi is in the first chapter, first section, 1159. We will see later. Okay. So Uk is a special in the list. I don't know whether you got, you would have stopped here, Uchi, right? Uchi Kishati? Based on what you have, no, huh?
Yeah,
Did you do,
we
did you do Angakarya? Did you make it O?
No, I have read. No, I
Sorry?
have used that Hrasva wrongly and got Chikishati, but yeah.
Angakarya has happened. So when Ajadi San Pratyaye Pare, Ajadi San means San Pratyaya taking Itagama. Adhatatika Sit Bala Deke by that Itagama. It means the Dhatu must be a set. Then Dvitam first and then Angakarya. When Anit Jaladi San Pratyaye Pare, then what will happen? If Angakarya is possible, do it first and then do Dvitvam. Right? So this is a sequence. This is, we will see that. We will see Dvirvachane Achi with the more examples later. You understand this up here?
Ishwaranji.
So Ochi Kishati. I don't know whether Prakriya is given in the website. The steps Ochi Kishati, Ochi Kishataha, Tananta Rupam. Prakriya cannot be loaded. Fine, no problem. So we know. So do the Dvitam and then do the Angakarya. We will take many such dhatus and then we will do it. We are going to see more example. Okay, let me do another one. Specifically, ik. That is dhatu, ik dhatu. Ik dhatu. Ik smarane. Dhatu meaning smarane. You can check the dhatu, ik smarane. Okay. So kakara is ith letter. So the content is only E. So let me copy paste this.
In the homework, Dhatu is there, Sharanji. We have left that one.
What dhatu?
Similar to Ook only, no? Eek.
I mean, didn't you do that?
We didn't do.
Okay, then we can do. Where is that?
After Iksha, we have Eek. Second that the homework.
Oh, eek. Okay.
Eek.
So it is like, oh, okay, let me.
No, Ook is also there. Before that, Eek is
Yeah, I'll do it. Eegate. So dirga, eek. So what is the rupam? Eek. Instead of O here, it is eek. The form would be
Sorry, Ook Kaparana Eek.
so the what is the finally form is I just converted the everything into eek. So you'll have eg ishate. Right? Yes. Simple. Replace O by E.
Yeah, similar.
Now let us do the other one. Dhatu is ik dhatu. Dhatu is the, I think, yeah, many dhatu. Ik, in gatau, so many other. Let us take the adadikara, ik smarane. Okay. Dhatu is E plus sa. And this dhatu, please check the, so it is anit dhatu. It is a anit dhatu. And you can check our list also. The E is not there in the karika. Therefore, E dhatus are, ikaranta dhatus are anit dhatus. Right? The exceptions are there, of course. Shri, some sadhus. But E is anit dhatu. Iksmarane, anit dhatu. How do you know it's Anit Dhatu? See the Karika. The Karika, it is not listed. The Shloka is there, right? Udru, it starts. So it is not there. So therefore, no Itagama. So E Isa. That's what you get. Now Aja Dekhe. Now here you see E plus Sa. I write like this. Sun, it is Jaladi sun, right? No Itagama. Dhatu being Anit. Therefore, Pratyaya do not take Itagama. And this is a Iganta Dhatu. Can you do Angakarya? Yes or no? Will
No.
not become. Why?
Because it's Anit.
Because it is Anit. No, the sutra, you have to say the sutra, not because Anit. Because Anit is any condition that Angakarya will not happen. No, that's not like that.
Halantasha something.
Ecojal. That is sutra. Yes.
Ecojal,
It's ecojal. Yes. That if you say that, it's correct. Yes. Ecojal by that sutra. What is ecojal says? Iganta Anga Dhatu will
Ganta
not take
Angasya.
guna when followed by Jaladisan. Jaladi means Anit Dhatu. Therefore, he will not become A. Understand? By
Okay.
ecojal sutra, Kittum is extended to the Jaladisan. Therefore, Angakarya will not happen. Right? Ecojal. Now you can see the application of ecojal here. Therefore, what do you have? Isa only. Therefore, you have Isa. Now, Isa. Ajadege. Ajadege. What will undergo Dvitvam? Okay, here we need to know the other sutra. This dhatu is okay. I'll show you the sutra. Maybe next class we will see. I don't on the list. I think it is there. The list of sutras. We need to see that. Yeah, this is Ach Hana Gamam Sani. What does it happen? 641116. Ajanta dhatu, Han dhatu, and Aj Han Sanam 64116.
Yes, dear.
136. Sorry, sutra number 16411
6.
116. Not this one. Then it is
That
Aj
sutras you told you will tell
60.
him.
6460, not 116. It's a typo.
Oh.
That 116. By this sutra, Ajdatu, I mean Ajanta dhatu, Han dhatu, and Gam dhatu, when San Pratyaya follows, what will happen? 6-4 section is, we know what 6-4 does. Sarvanamastane cha sambuddho, etc. What does it happen?
Dirghatvam.
Dirghatam bhavati.
Pada dirgha.
Dralope purvasya dirgho.
Ah.
And that from that onwards, it's all dirgha. Dirgha bhavati. So, Ajanta dhatoho, Ajantana mangana, then Han dhatu, then Gam dhatu, Sani. Sani is Jalado Sani. Pratyaya pare dirgha bhavati. So, by this sutra. Okay, now this sutra, you know, this is one of the Angakarya happens. Specifically for Han dhatu, Gam dhatu, and Ajanta dhatu nam. Ajanta dhatu when followed by San, what will happen? That Ajanta Anganam Dirghatam bhavati, right?
Dirghatvam.
So now here it is a Ajanta dhatu. It's a see so far what dhatus we have seen the list examples. You see the examples. All are Halanta dhatu. Just see. These are all Halanta dhatu. Now we are seeing E dhatu, just E. Kakara is the letter, which is a Ajanta dhatu. So Halanta dhatu nam Sani pratyaya pare. The Sangakarya 6-4-16 will apply by that. Angasya kim bhavati.
Dirgha.
Therefore, Isa become Isa. You can write the sutra 6-4-16. Not 1164, 16.
Okay.
Typo 116. So you get Isa. Now Isa, first you have to do the Angakarya. Angakarya is done first, and after that you can do Dvitvam. So Isa Ajadege Dvitiyasya. So E will remain and sa will undergo duplication. Sa. Then haladi sheshaha sa will be there, right? This abhyasa is sa. Okay, let me write like this. Sa is abhyasa, ube abhyastam. So E is a sa. Now sakara sa is there. What will happen? Sani ataha, by that sutra, abhyasa karya. What will happen? Sani ataha is abhyasa karya. When san pratyaya follows, adanta
Will become
abhyasa, adanta it will become
ikara.
E, A will be replaced by E, therefore becomes C. Right? The sakara is pratyaya sakara, followed preceded by E, therefore it will become shatton, ishi. Then sakara, this is also pratyaya sakara, that also will become shakara, therefore E shisha is a rupam. Understand?
Yes.
So sani ataha, by that, what sani ataha? You can see the abhyasa karya. When san pratyaya follows,
Akarasya ikarade.
karasi ikaradeshaha bhavati. Abhyasa karya, you can see sanyataha 7/4/49. So this abhyasa karya, first time you are seeing here the example. So by that akarasya sthane ikaradeshaha, and therefore you have isi. Then that sakara is adesha sakara, therefore shatvam. And this is also pratyaya sakara. That's all also done with shatvam. Therefore e shisha is a root. E shisha. And the dhatu ik smarane, I think it's parasmepadi. Therefore e shishati, e shishataha, e shishati the rupam. Dhatu adadiga dhatu ik smarane, adadi sananta rupam, if you see. E shishati. Okay. Why here jigameshati is there? Because smarane, abodhanarte, it will be replaced by gum. But here we are taking the dhatu as such. Okay. That we have this dhatu, ing dhatu and other dhatu, abodhanarte, that will be replaced by gum. That dhatu adesha happens. Pragena ayam adi purvaka eva prayukta drishyate. Fine, okay. But here we are not taking adi. If adi purvaka, then it is abodhanarte, then not in the sense of knowing, then he is replaced by gum. Then gum undergo duplication, jigameshati you get.
Okay.
But here it is, we are taking just smarane only, as it is. Therefore, this is the rupam. Ishishati. Understand?
Yes.
Abodhanarte gam adeshaha. Adadhartuka pratyaye dhatu adesha happens. Bodhanarte doesn't happen. So we can take that. If you want to abodhanarte, we can abodhanarte gam. We can do that also. Suppose this the same one. Same is applicable not only for this, even in and in gata also you can take. Okay, for all you can take. So suppose if you do, then what will happen? This E will be replaced by this prayena adi purvaka, he said. So adi purvaka in dhatu in, okay, that therefore adi will remain as adi. E will be replaced by gum. So therefore here you have, with this we will stop. Okay, adi gum plus sa. Adi purvaka, adi plus gum plus sa. Then sa is, adi purvaka gam dhatu. Gam dhatu is gamehe atmane parasmapadeshu state eva bhavati. Right? Therefore, itagama adi purvaka gamisa. Then adi purvaka gamisa. Which one will undergo duplication? It is ala dekhe. Therefore, ekacho dve prathamasya. So which will undergo duplication? Gum. So gum gamisa. Right? So then we have aladi sheshaha, by that ga will remain, akara will drop. Therefore, ga gamisa. Then ga will become goes to go by that ga gamisa, right? Then after that, A will be replaced by
E.
Sanyata. Sanyata, right? Just what we saw. Will be replaced by E. So Adi, Jigami. Finally, we can do Shatvam by that. Adi, Jigamisha. So we have Adi, Jigamishati. Understand? Adi, Jigamishati. Now see the website that is form he has given. Above the Arte, Adi, Jigamishati, Adi, Jigamishataha. E plus Sun. Adi, Jigamisha, the form. That's what we have derived. Is it clear?
Yes, Ji.
We'll stop here. More Ajanta Dhatu we will see. The Ing Dhatu, other Dhatu. Okay, so we'll stop here. I'll send you the notes. You can go through. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.